truck took down a power pole early Thursday afternoon in Washington County. According to the Little Hocking Volunteer Fire Department, the incident happened at 1:05 p.m. Thursday afternoon. They said a logging truck struck a power pole, knocking down power lines down to road level. No injuries were reported, and the truck was gone before first responders made it to the scene. Non-local drivers were diverted around the site. The fire department said the road should be opened back up this evening. Little Hocking Volunteer Fire Department and the Ohio State Highway Patrol both responded to the scene.